Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, please click the subscribe and bell buttons to be notified when new videos are uploaded, and like, comment, and also share the videos with your friends and family. St. Nicholas Abbey was built in 1658 of limestone and brick and recreates 18th century plantation life. It is located in the parish of St. Peter, Barbados, and is a well-preserved museum with over 400 acres of sugarcane fields, mahogany forests, lush tropical gullies, and gardens. It is one of only 3 genuine Jacobean-style mansions remaining in the Western Hemisphere. Barbados is home to 2 of these mansions, St. Nicholas Abbey and Drax Hall, while the other is Bacon's Castle in Virginia, USA.
For a 5-year run, there's a film which is about 18 minutes, 1935. And the only thing that's not friendly would be that big tree in the backyard, the sandbox tree. As you exit the back door on the right, it has sharp thorns from the bottom right up all around. Don't mean against it. It's not poisonous, but it burns right now. So you don't want to be uncomfortable.
Okay.
The centerpiece here, the flowers are actually all from shells. And the chandeliers are French piece from the early 1800s, all shells again. And remember, in those days, no distractions, no internet, no telephone, no television. So they had a lot of time. And the birds are taxidermy birds, 150 years. They're said to be native birds. We only recognize about 4 of them. And if you take a look through the window on the other side, that's a herb garden. Back then that was a pharmacy in the backyard. They use medicinal, herbs, I think, back then for headaches, cold, fever, whatever they had. That's how we go to the pharmacy. Any birds you recognize from here? Hummingbird, almost up in north, almost looking like that, and that's a duck. Is the picture right above the radio here, to your left. That's the present owner, that's Mr. Larry Warren, he's the architect. That's how he makes his money. Bought the property in January 2006. And that's another serious Valentine right there. None of the other gentlemen on the wall owned, they were just connected to ancestors. Okay. But this chair right here is our masterpiece. This is a gentleman's chair, and this was made in England in 1936. The cost was £42. This is how he got in. So once he was in, Prairie was in. This was for a beverage or a cigarette. Either side of that he had a bell. You rang for whatever you wanted. The light was adjustable. Those were the bookmarks in those days, so if you fell asleep, never actually missed that page. Here, you can read his paper, or you can take it right down and have a meal or do some work. And it can also be pushed right in. It becomes the upright chair. Back then you pull it right out, and you press it here, and it went right into a bed. We don't press it because you're not sure if it's going to come back up. So we don't press it. But it has wheels too, so you can just move. And note they said it's a gentleman's chair, so it's nothing to do with us. So let's say you wanted to go to another room, you rule them off, or you were snoring and disturbing, you can just rule them outside. In the garden, down the hill. Off the cliff if you was above. But with just the height of relaxation. So remember if we were still making these chairs, these chairs now would be pink and fluffy. Because we've changed all that, yeah, for sure. The chair right behind you, solid mahogany, is said to be the judge's chair. And that's very comfortable as well. Yeah. And the old cameras, back in the day, black and white, no flash. And on the other side, we have the cigar lighters. one with the ashtray and one without. And that's the John Gate Alley, the already fusion, yeah. Already fusion. My dad had something like this. Oh. That's an old Grundy. It's a tube, carry tube, so once you first plug it in, it takes a while to warm up. My dad had something similar, but it had legs as well. But the front.
One of the first radios.
Looks similar to that, yeah.
And who's this gentleman?
That's the John Gate Alley. He was a founder of the Alley Secondary School. The monk your room was named after him as well.
Oh.
The John Gate Alley. And there are 7 bedrooms. We have 3 pictures of what 3 of the bedrooms look like upstairs.
Oh.
They're more recent pictures, but because a lot of people were asking me, can we see the bedrooms? So they only, it's like, so this is the fireplace here. So this one will be above the room over there. This one is above the room right here. And the one in the middle is right back over the drawing room, the room we just came from. But there are 4 on the first and 3 on the second. So the 2 back bedrooms are the ones with the fireplaces. And on the landing there was the only bathroom, which was added a lot later, 1939. Before that, everybody went to the outhouses. They're still there. As you exit to the far left, we have the bath area. There are 4 different size tin tubs, and we have the 4-seater toilet. 4 different sizes, so 4 could have gone at one time. So it could have been a great conversation. I'll tell you. Step here, some people think it's a flat, it's a drop. This is the oldest piece right here. This is a step of made from oak. 1696. In the middle. So this was donated to us by an English couple who was living on the island, decided to go back home, so they wanted to donate it to some place where people can see it. Well, we added the cushion for comfort, but it was nothing comfortable. It was just a hard wood. You lift the lid. That was used for storage. It's very solid, it's really heavy. So this is the only piece that's made from oak. All the other furniture in the house is made from mahogany. And it's now illegal to cut mahogany trees on the island. This is the original Thomas Graffer toilet, full chain, wooden seats. You know back then when they say you're talking crap, you know exactly what they're saying, right? And the hat and umbrella stand dates back 1862. And that's a tree that's older than the house, a big tree outside, over 400 years. So if the tree can talk, there are a lot of stories, right? Oh, and it has sharp thorns. So right around it from the bottom up, it has those sharp thorns, like a rose bush. So like me, I like selfies, so you can go and take your selfies, but you don't remember not to lean against it, for sure. Yep. Now, would you all like to see the film before you take the room? And if you turn around on the roof, there's a metal tank. This is actually a water tank. When the bathroom was just added, they had no proper plumbing, so they caught the rainwater. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so now you're on the other side as well. I can't talk about this. He lives so lonely. The corner, the first restaurant is one end, and the first one is further. So I have an epiphany, you know what an epiphany is? Yeah? There's stuff in there. Alright, so I have an epiphany and the first my time is walking. Alright, so this here is syrup. So this is what we made around from. Alright, but this is coming like this now.
cane as well.
Yeah, it's fresh cane juice, evaporated out, and then we burn the sugar so it gets crystallized. And this here is one made of our product. But what I was thinking, in our ice cream, you can do like a sugar cane ice cream, you know?
Yeah. That is definitely.
Here in the property's chapel, visitors may view a rare historic home movie filmed by Charles Cave during a family visit to Barbados, which dates back to 1935 and shows life on a sugar plantation and also provides a glimpse of island life during that period.